Let's talk about sending a quote in Flashquotes. If you haven't already hooked up your Google Workspace or Gmail account, take a look at the video. It's a minute long on how to do that. That makes a big difference in deliverability and getting that email to land in someone's inbox. From here, we already have that connected, so I'm going to go back to the app and I'm going to take a look at my pipeline. I've got a new inquiry here that hasn't been sent. I'm going to jump into the quote, take a look at it, make sure things look good. Once you're happy with your quote, you could even click on your quote template to preview it and see how it will look to the end customer. You can then click on share and share via email. We will always default to using your connected Google or Gmail account here. You can, of course, send from Flashquotes as well if you haven't hooked that up and don't want to, but we do recommend that. You can view the quote. We have some information that's pre-populated here. You can click and edit it fully, and then we populate information in here based off of quote details. Once you're happy with this quote, you can send it. You could also send it with a workflow where we do automated follow-up sequences, which we'll learn about later, and send that off. And once you've done that, the quote will be sent. In this case, we've advanced it to the quote sent stage so we can keep an eye on where we are in the process for this quote. And that is on to the inbox of your client where they'll get the opportunity to view the quote. By pressing view quote, they'll see essentially what we've got here and are going to be able to book as soon as they're ready without you having to do anything further. As far as settings go here, if you do want to change the default, I would go to settings, quotes, and from here you can see your email settings. And this is where you can have a default subject line or email body that's going to show up every single time. So your baseline can reflect your style, your values, your brand. You can even put in short codes here, which will dynamically drop in information that is relevant to the quote and to your business. And that is sending quotes with Flashquotes.